In this video, we're going to explore the min height property, and the min height property stands for minimum height. So for example, we have here this painting or this wall div. Basically, this is the painting div, and what we want to do is imagine here we want to set a certain height by default, and if ever the height is below that, we want to have a minimum threshold so that it will always default to that and not lower or not shorter than that. So let me give you an example here. So to do this, we have a min height. Let's say here we have here a min height of, and then we can put in here 300 pixels. If we save this, and then we just comment out this, and let's see what happens. So then now what happens is that the height here is set on minimum of 300 pixels. If you would set here a height of a percentage, and you will see that this will not work right now. Well, it responds right now correctly, but it will not work because we have to still do some adjustments, and I will show you later on what the adjustments are. So let's remove this. Now we'll comment out the minimum height. You would expect that 30% of this screen would become black. But as we do and we refresh, it doesn't work. And the reason why it doesn't work is because right now the div here has no single parent property. Meaning here, this div is getting 100% or 30% of non-stated. So if you would have here a div class, and here in this div, which would be the parent div, where this div is a child from, so it's nested within each other. So that would mean that here, let's say this is the parent. If we save this, and I'm going to add up a new class, let's say here that's parent as a class. Then we say here height is 500 pixels. 500 pixels. Save this, and now if we set this up, and I'm going to give this here a background color of gold. Save this, and then refresh. You can see now the background color of the div. This one works nicely, which is eventually here. This is the complete background color of 500, and then we have here this div has a minimum height of 150. So 150 here in this case is, oh, well, this is the 500 pixels. You can see here 500 pixels has been set here, and then 30% of 500 pixels is extracted from here. This is basically how it works. So now if we would have the min height, and we're not satisfied with the 150 pixels here, we save this and refresh now, it will overrule the height that we have and set up a minimum height. Very useful as well to control if ever you want a certain restriction. And always remember, with the minimum height, well, the minimum height can be set also in percentage, but the height here, if ever you use percentage, there must be a parent, and the parent div should have a certain percentage because they would, or a certain value for height, because they would take 30% or the percentage of parent div or element. Very important to remember. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.